welcome back to my channel, and today I have another essential oil video for you. This is all about my bedtime routine and what I do. I don't know about you guys, but sleep is still an issue around here. I don't know if it's because of what's going on in the world or the seasons changing, but I've discovered some new essential oils to help with my bedtime routine. So a couple of them are lavender, Roman chamomile, and valerian. This is a new one to me, and I love all of these oils. They're very grounding, very beautiful and wonderful, but I have been incorporating into my bedtime routine. Now, with essential oils, you want to make sure that you're doing a lot of different things. You want to make sure every night you prepare yourself and set yourself up to have a good night's sleep and to prevent any insomnia. So if you're like me, I like my room dark and I like it to not have any sound. The only sound, if I do have on, is some type of noise machine or something like that. So the only noise machine I have in my room is a diffuser. So I diffuse my essential oils about an hour before bedtime. I make sure I have great sheets and bedding on my bed and a great mattress as well too. Now everyone's sleep is a little bit different. The CDC recommends for adults to get anywhere from 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and that varies by ages. So I will link in my blog for you to check out some of the recommendations for your age and where you're at in life. So another thing is you want to make sure, I've noticed, if I get enough fresh air, I eat healthier, and I'm getting enough exercise. So make sure you are incorporating that, because the essential oils won't be able to do their trick and won't be able to help you get that much restful night if you're not doing any of those other things. Another thing too, make sure you don't eat a heavy meal before bedtime. Usually if I'm hungry before bed, I try to eat a lighter meal and I try to sip on some warm tea or something warming. So make sure you do that as well before you go to bed. And you want to try to do the same bedtime routine every night, or for the most part. Like for me, I usually take a shower before bed, I remove all my makeup, I moisturize my face. I usually do something that I like to, or I enjoy before bed. So that could be reading. Some people like to watch a program. Some people like to knit or paint. Just decide what that is that kind of calms you down. You don't want to do anything that's gonna get you excited or whatnot. In the summertime, I like to sit by the fire or out on the patio and read a book, or sit by that campfire or that bonfire right before bedtime. It really calms my soul too as well. So I am going to show you a couple different things, walk you through a couple different things. So hopefully tonight you can get a good night's sleep. So let's turn around this camera and I'm going to show you how to make my bedtime pillow linen spray and show you what oils I like to diffuse as well before bedtime.
All right, so the 3 essential oils that I like to use at bedtime is lavender, valerian, and Roman chamomile. There are many other essential oils out there, but using essential oils at bedtime is so important because we do need sleep to rest our organs, have our muscles recover. Tissues and muscles need to grow, and the only way to get that is from sleep, and essential oils can help with that. Providing you are doing everything else like eating well, exercising, and turning off certain electronic devices, these essential oils are going to be perfect to help you to sleep, boost your memory, increase your energy, help and to make beneficial life choices because you have adequate sleep. So I am going to diffuse some essential oils before bedtime, and here I'm adding some filter water to my diffuser, and there's 3 oils like I've already discussed that you can diffuse, and I usually rotate between different ones. Every essential oil is different to everybody's body, so you just have to decide which one is the best for you to help you get a good night's sleep. So practice and using the different oils throughout your bedtime routine, because after you find one, it's going to increase your mood, help with anxiety and libido. So like I said, I encourage you to try to get a good night's rest by using essential oils and experimenting with these 3 different oils. It's crazy how much our body needs sleep and how much we need to produce a hormone called leptin to help control our appetite and metabolism, which you can't get that if you're not getting enough sleep. According to the CDC, which is right on their website, that we need adequate sleep to be able to perform better, to be able to have a better day, to be able to fight disease, which is very important, to prevent injury, and brain function needs to be important as well. Make sure before you do hit the hay during your bedtime routine, turn off all of your electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime. Try to stay away from caffeine right before bedtime. Yes, I know it's hard. And then also make sure you're eating a well-balanced diet filled with lots of fruits and vegetables. And also drink plenty of water. Okay, so now we are going to make a pillow and linen spray. I like to use this to help with sleep, and I spray it on my sheets, pillows, and blankets about 30 minutes before bedtime. So in a spray bottle, you're going to add some filtered water, a pinch of sea salt, and one of your favorite essential oils. I'm using valerian for this spray this time. This is a very earthy, grounding scent. It promotes a restful night. You can diffuse this, or you can make it in a pillow linen spray for a slumber night's rest. There's also Roman chamomile, so don't forget it's bright, sweet, and calming. It's perfect to diffuse as well and to use in the spray. It's an inflammatory oil. It helps promote a deep sleep. And it's great to even apply topically with a carrier oil to the back of the neck. So I'm spraying it on my pillows and sheets, as you can see. And also I want to mention lavender. I always love lavender and I talk about it so much. Wonderful for lowering that blood pressure and heart rate, and you will get a night full of Z's. So let's go ahead and talk about how to get started with essential oils. It's very, very simple. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all the questions. But basically, I get all my oils through a company that properly sources all their oils and gets it to the purest forms. And I highly recommend this company. It's called Young Living. They have so many great oils. They're very therapeutic and they're 100% natural and pure. You're going to go onto their website and get started, and there's different kits. I recommend this new Haven bundle, which is very inexpensive with a lot of basic oils. Once you do that, you can decide to go into their monthly promo or monthly enrollment program. You can choose yes or no, but basically what that means is you earn points and credits every time you place an order every month. I highly recommend doing it because they carry so many things from skincare to beauty care, even makeup. All of the ingredients are clean and natural. They even have skincare that I absolutely adore and love. Once you place that monthly order, you can gain points and credits to use the following month. And then you're going to also use my sponsor enrollment ID, which is the same, and that's 2379050. And all of this will be linked in my blog post, which is www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. So make sure you check it out. So it's very easy, like I said, to use the products here at Young Living. There's no commitment every month to purchase. You just basically order what you need. And like I said, I get everywhere, anything from skincare, cleaning products to beauty care, and then my essential oils. So it's a win-win. Oh, and I also forgot there's tons of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin D, and other great vitamins that I love getting on Young Living because they're clean, natural, and 100% organic.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you think some of these tips or tricks are going to be helpful for you. And then if you want more videos about natural living and creating a natural home for you and your family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I would love for you to walk side by side with me as I show you how I cook homemade and healthy, how I grow my own food here at Riggs Creek Farmhouse. So, and also make sure you share this video, because maybe there's someone out there that's suffering from insomnia or can't get that good night's sleep. So go ahead and share this video, because I'd love for you guys to join my community, and I hope that you can stop by week after week and day after day for all of my great tips. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. So long.